Why AI is secretly using huge amounts of water. Every time someone asks AI a question, water is being used somewhere on Earth. Sounds weird, right? You type a message, and somehow water disappears. But here's the crazy part. AI systems like ChatGPT may use millions of liters of water every single day. So where is all that water going? In this video, you'll discover why AI needs giant buildings called data centers, why those buildings get insanely hot, why companies use water to cool them down, how one simple AI request can indirectly use water, and why experts think this could become a big future problem. And don't worry, I'll explain everything super simply. What people think AI is. Most people think AI is just magic internet software. You ask a question, and the answer appears instantly. But AI isn't floating in the sky. It runs on real machines. Huge machines. Thousands of them. These machines are stored inside giant buildings called data centers. Example, imagine a giant warehouse, filled wall to wall with super powerful computers. That's basically a data center. And companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI use huge data centers to run AI systems. Why AI computers get so hot? Now here's the problem. AI computers work extremely hard, much harder than normal laptops. They do billions of calculations every second. And when computers work hard, they create heat. Lots of heat. Example, think about playing a heavy game on your phone for a long time. After some time, your phone becomes hot. That's because the processor is working hard. Now imagine not one phone, but thousands of giant AI computers running all day. The heat becomes massive. Why water is used. So how do companies stop these computers from overheating? They cool them down. And one of the best cooling methods is water. Cold water moves through cooling systems and helps absorb heat from the machines. Example, it's similar to how a car engine uses liquid cooling. Without cooling, the engine overheats. AI servers are the same. Without cooling, they could become too hot and stop working. The shocking part, here's where things get crazy. Even one AI conversation can indirectly use water because every question needs electricity, and electricity creates heat, and heat requires cooling. Example, imagine millions of people asking AI questions at the same time. Homework help, coding, stories, images, voice generation. All of this increases the workload inside data centers. More workload equals more heat. More heat equals more cooling. More cooling equals more water. Training AI uses even more water. And asking questions is only one part. Training AI models uses even more energy and cooling. Before AI can answer questions, it must learn from giant amounts of information. That training process can take weeks or months. Example, imagine trying to teach a robot math, science, language, history, coding. Now imagine teaching it using billions of books and websites. That requires giant computer systems running nonstop. Why this could become a problem? Some experts worry this could become a future issue. Why? Because fresh water is limited, and AI is growing extremely fast. Example, think about how many people use AI today compared to just a few years ago. Now imagine billions of people using AI daily in the future. That could mean bigger data centers, more electricity, and more water usage. Are companies doing anything? Yes. Many tech companies are trying to reduce water usage. Some are building smarter cooling systems. Others are using cleaner energy or recycling water. Example, some data centers are even built in colder places because cold weather helps cool the machines naturally. So the next time you use AI, remember, there are giant buildings full of powerful computers working behind the scenes. And keeping those machines alive requires enormous cooling systems. Which means, your simple question may be connected to something much bigger. Now you know why AI uses water. But the really surprising part is that most AI companies don't just need any water. They often need fresh water. And that creates a completely different challenge. If you want to see a video on why AI demands fresh water, subscribe and tell me in the comments.